motherfucker is so the fuck one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your blessings, girl.
Is it a crime?
Sure.
5 divided by 7.
The
What?
7. Guys.
5 divided by 7.
Manikas. Wait, you mother.
No, sure.
Wait, you mother.
Sharing is
She what? Shit.
Claude, why are you writing in
sharing is
vertical?
caring.
You're gonna rip it, bro.
No, I'm not like you.
That's the process.
Fuck.
Do it like that.
Why are you writing in vertical?
No, it's not.
Claude, just copy number.
This tree is only vertical.
Vertical.
No, it's not because that will be like that. Huh?
Connected.
Yeah.
What the fuck? You
Ah.
guys have been swearing
And
too
then like
much.
this.
It's not like it where.
H2.
Vertical.
Delete that C.
Go guys.
F-E.
Go guys.
One paper for all.
Family guys.
Yeah, if I go down, we go down
Good
together.
thing I have blood, y'all.
Like that? That's what Claude.
Did you do it vertical?
Stop moving! My gosh.
Samuel?
Need help?
We're done.
Kuyo.
Who you?
Bro, stop moving my ass. Joke. And bro, stop.
Stop moving your what?
Shut up.
Why your box is so big?
We don't know, bro. We don't know. We just realized we copied each other and then, bro,
Mom's gonna be like, why are they so?
like everybody's
Yeah, it's
like yours.
Look at my table 6. So big. So big.
No, I just got emails.
I'm like the box is
I
here
copied
and
a-
here
I
only.
copied,
I fit one. I fit in one.
Yen Yens.
Mine, thank you.
Did you balance it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's already balanced, right? No, we have the same answer.
Chemical.
Wait,
It's not the same question.
this is MgO2. What? That's MgO2. Then how are you gonna balance it? Right? This is O2.
Shut up, bro.
Then 2 times 2 is 4. It will not be balanced.
Bro, what?
If this is MgO2, then 2 times 2 is 4. It will not be balanced. No, it's already balanced.
Oh.
Why? Mg plus O2 equals MgO2, so you don't need anything to balance it. What?
Where is that real?
Yeah.
See?
Because like
There's
manganese,
really two there.
manganese and
To what?
he said
Where's my other
There's
one?
no MGO2.
he said it will result to manganese and oxygen
MgO2
gas,
what?
right?
Here?
And Mg plus O2, so it's
Hi guys. How's my eyes? Like, oh my gosh, is this really me? My eyes is busted. So we were copying everyone's. No, we were copying Yan Yan's answer. Like, look at this. Hi guys, say hi. Oh, hi. Yo. What the frick? Bro, motherfucker. My mouth? Oh my gosh.
for the sodium acetate.
It's copying this.
I think this is sodium acetate.
Bro, how can you be?
Sodium.
CH3.
How come can you be?
I put in
This
it.
one?
Copy the first one.
That's why I think, oh my God, why is your thing?
Bro, so noisy.
Disadvantages of being
Being what?
Being gay.
Oh, you finally admitted the shit.
Because he sticks something in his butt.
Oh, hell no. What the hell? Cucumber?
I will search what.
What?
Bro, what the fuck are you staring at me like that? So fucking weirdo. Bakrid. Bakrid.
Ah, funny.
Bro. I don't know,
I
bro.
don't know. I pass Luigi.
Get it, because it's yours. Is this right?
It's MG02.
2 MG auto.
No, it's MG plus auto. It's MG02.
So it's gonna be 2 here.
MG Auto. MG Auto.
So there's 2 here. Are you sure? Bitch, are you sure? Say double check,
Is
please.
this correct?
I just searched what's the equation of
2H2.
sodium acetate.
And then?
It's the same.
You change something. You change something here.
Change the
Why
MG auto. Have two bond papers?
That's all.
Because our table is so big, Milo.
That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, like this. Change the.
Yeah, because auto is so.
Give me one
Is correct?
moment in time.
If I go down, you go
When all of my dreams are... Bitch, give him a notebook. A notebook? My ball pen. Stop! You
Give me your
mother.
hand.
What are you gonna draw? What are you gonna draw? A dick? Bro, stop it. What are you gonna draw?
Whoa! Wait! Look! Congratulations, baby Zinhart, for winning the Magasin City
Baby.
Division.
Oh!
What? No, they're in for semifinal.
What why are you so...
They're in for
We're
semifinals.
not even together.
Who have staple?
From the start.
Oh yeah, I don't think I...
What happened to you?
Just
Why are
dig
you
it.
Why are you
crying?
curious? I
Yeah.
have my own problems that I cannot reveal. So why are you guys so questioning? Everybody has their own problems, okay?
Yeah.
So stop. What the fuck? You look so what the hell? We turn that off. They will know my cursing problem.
I'm gonna